This is the all-new Infinix Hot 10 and this phone is sizzling. Priced at 60,200 Naira, the Infinix Hot 10 comes with a Mediatek Helio G70 processor, and this makes it one of the fastest, if not the fastest pocket-friendly smartphone you can pick up right now. For the gamers out there who are on a very tight budget, the Infinix Hot 10 might just be the smartphone you've been waiting for. The Infinix Hot 10 comes in this green and orange box, and right from the box you can see that it comes with a Mediatek Helio G70 processor. This smartphone will certainly take your gaming to the next level. Not just your gaming, launching apps, being productive, the G70 processor is a fast processor and it will certainly handle anything you throw at it. Moving to the rear of the box, it shows you some of the specs of the Infinix Hot 10, and no, it doesn't come with quad cameras at the front and a single camera at the rear. Opening the box, the first thing you'll see is the phone. I have here with me the amber red color and it doesn't look bad. You get a SIM remover tool, an X-Club pamphlet, a transparent TPU case that fits the phone perfectly. You also get a film screen protector. I wish Infinix applied the film protector right from the factory so we don't have to. You get an earpiece, micro USB cable and a 10 watts charger. USB Type-C port would have been the preferred option, but considering the price of the Infinix Hot 10, you can't really complain. That wraps up the unboxing experience. Let's move on to the external features and build quality. The Infinix Hot 10 is made from plastic. Plastic is a durable material, and if you happen to drop it, the phone will be fine. The front doesn't have any form of protection. I would advise you get a plastic screen protector just to be safe. Now moving to the rear of this smartphone, we have a quad camera setup. You have a 16 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and an AI lens with quad LED light. The fingerprint scanner is easy to set up and it's fast. You can set the fingerprint scanner to quickly open an application when you unlock the device. I have it set to open Twitter every time I unlock the phone. At the bottom, it comes with a mono speaker, and testing it out, the speaker sounds average. You get a single microphone on this device. I wish it came with dual microphones, as the single mic doesn't do a good job in capturing audio while recording a video. More on that to come. It also comes with a micro USB port, which I guess Infinix included to keep the price of this smartphone down, and you get a 3.5mm audio jack. On the left side, it comes with dual SIM tray and a memory card slot, and on the top there's nothing. On the right side, you have the power button and the volume keys. Moving to the front of the Infinix Hot 10, it comes with a 16 megapixel front-facing camera with dual LED flash. The 6.78-inch display is large enough for playing games, consuming media, and using your favorite social media app, and the camera cutout doesn't get in your way. For performance, well, this is one area the Infinix Hot 10 shines. It comes with a Mediatek Helio G70 processor and it's fast. For those interested in the Antutu score, here you go, and for the Geek Bench test, this is the score. The Infinix Hot 10 also comes with the G52 GPU, which helps in rendering out the visuals you see when gaming. Gaming on the Infinix Hot 10 is butter smooth. I didn't experience any lag, eating or throttling issues while using this device extensively. It's safe to say the Infinix Hot 10 has certainly taken gaming to the next level at an affordable price. For multitasking, the Infinix Hot 10 comes with 3GB of RAM. I noticed if you have 4 heavy apps running in the background, it won't be able to retain all of them. This is one area Infinix had to cut down to make the device affordable. Launching and keeping 2 or 3 RAM heavy apps in the background is fine, but anything more than that, the phone will need to reload the app when you switch. Now moving to the cameras, the front camera isn't where the Infinix Hot 10 shines, and you can see that for yourself. Pictures taken are not the sharpest, but for a device that costs 60,200 Naira, come on, you can't really complain. Hello guys, so here's a video from the front facing camera of the Infinix Hot 10. I'm sure the audio is not good because it has a single microphone, but apart from the audio, what do you guys think about the video quality coming out from the front facing camera of the Infinix Hot 10? At the rear, the Infinix Hot 10 comes with a quad camera setup and only 2 are functional. The main 16 megapixel camera does a good job in capturing images, pictures are sharp enough, it doesn't come with a wide angle lens, but it does have 8x digital zoom and it doesn't look bad at all. And here's a sample of a picture taken with the macro camera. You be the judge of this. So here's a video from the rear camera of the Infinix Hot 10. It can shoot in 2K. Right now I'm shooting in 1080p 30 frames per second. Can you notice the difference between the 2K and the 1080p footage? So what do you guys think about the video quality coming out from the Infinix Hot 10? The maximum resolution it can shoot at is 2K. There's no form of image stabilization. So what do you guys think about the video quality coming out from the Infinix Hot 10? Now moving to the battery department, the Infinix Hot 10 comes with a 5200 mAh battery with a 10 watts charger. It takes a 10 watts charger 2 hours 53 minutes to charge this device from 0 to 100%. The 5200 mAh battery will certainly last heavy phone users the entire day, and for moderate usage it will last 2 days. Now to wrap things up, the Infinix Hot 10 is arguably the best pocket-friendly smartphone with the fastest processor. At 60,200 Naira, I'm not sure you can find any other smartphone within that price range that can beat the Infinix Hot 10. The 720p display is average, the performance is really good thanks to the Mediatek Helio G70 processor. The front camera isn't the best, but the 16 megapixel main shooter is decent, battery life is impressive, and it will certainly take you the entire day. At 60,200 Naira brand new, nothing beats it in the Nigerian market. So we've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you think about the Infinix Hot 10. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next video. And SARS.